Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to add figures, control their alignment, size, and position, and how to add subfigures in Latex. In this video, we'll be going over the steps you need to take to insert figures into your Latex document and customize their appearance to suit your needs. We'll cover how to use the graphics package to include images in your document, how to use the figure environment to control the alignment and positioning of your figures, and how to use the subcaption package to create subfigures within a figure. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the knowledge you need to create professional-looking figures in your Latex documents. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the basics. To include an image in your document, you'll need to use the graphics package. You can do this by adding the package to the preamble of your document like this. \use package, graphics. Now that we've set up the basics, let's talk about how to actually insert an image into your document. You can do this using the figure environment. Within this environment, you can use the \include graphics command to include your image. This command takes the path to the image file as its argument. For example, if you have an image named logo.png stored in a folder named Pictures, you would insert it into your document like this, where /home/lab/pictures is the path of the image. Note that you don't need to include the file extension when specifying the name of the image file. In Latex, there are several options for changing the alignment of images. The most commonly used options are \ragged left. This command aligns the image to the right margin of its containing environment. \ragged right. This command aligns the image to the left margin of its containing environment. \centering. This command centers the image horizontally within its containing environment. Now, let's talk about how to actually control the size and position of an image in your document. The \include graphics command has several options that allow you to do this. Some of these options are: first option is width. This option allows you to specify the width of the image. For example, if you want the image to be half as wide as the text on the page, you can use the width option like this. Width equals 0.5 \text width. Second option is height. This option allows you to specify the height of the image. For example, if you want the image to be 3 centimeters tall, you can use the height option like this. Height equal 3 centimeters. Third option is scale. This option allows you to scale the image by a certain factor. For example, if you want to make the image twice as large, you can use the scale option like this. Scale equals 2. Fourth option is angle. This option allows you to rotate the image by a certain angle, in degrees. For example, if you want to rotate the image by 90 degrees, you can use the angle option like this. Angle equals 90. Finally, you can also combine these options to achieve more complex effects. For example, if you want to scale an image by a factor of 2 and rotate it by 45 degrees, you can use both the scale and angle options like this. Scale equals 2, angle equals 45. You can also use the figure environment to add captions and labels to your images. Here's an example that shows how to do this. This will insert the image into your document and add a caption below it that reads the logo of our channel. The \label command allows you to refer to the figure later in your document using the \ref command. Now that we've set up the basics, let's talk about how to actually insert subfigures into your document. For that, you'll need to use the subcaption package. This environment allows you to create multiple figures within a single figure environment. Here's an example that shows how to create 2 subfigures side by side. This Latex code creates a figure with 2 subfigures placed side by side. Each subfigure takes up half of the available width and contains an image of a fruit with a caption below it. The figure environment is used to create a floating figure that can be placed anywhere on the page. Within this environment, two subfigure environments are created, each taking up half of the available width, 0.5 text width. The subfigure environment is provided by the subcaption package and allows you to create multiple figures within a single figure environment. Within each subfigure environment, the \include graphics command is used to insert an image into the document. Below each image, a caption is added using the \caption command. This command adds a caption to the current subfigure. The \label command is also used to assign a label to each subfigure. After both subfigures have been created, a caption for the entire figure is added using the \caption command. This caption describes both subfigures and is placed below them. A label for the entire figure is also added using the \label command. You can also use other options such as height, scale, and angle to control the size and orientation of the images within each subfigure. For example, if you want to rotate an image by 90 degrees, you can use the angle option like this. Finally, to create a list of figures in your document, you'll need to use the \listofFigures command. This command automatically generates a list of all the figures in your document, along with their captions and page numbers. In this example, the \listofFigures command is used at the beginning of the document to generate a list of all the figures in the document. The list includes the captions and page numbers of each figure, and is automatically updated as you add or remove figures from your document. To include subfigures in the list of figures, you need to set the list equals true option when loading the subcaption package. When you compile this document, the list of figures will include entries for both the main figure and its subfigures, along with their captions and page numbers. That concludes our tutorial on how to add figures, control their alignment, size, and position, and how to add subfigures in Latex. We hope that this tutorial has provided you with the knowledge and skills you need to create professional-looking figures in your Latex documents. Remember to experiment with the different options and settings we've covered to find the best configuration for your needs. And before we go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and helpful content. Thank you for watching.